So my truck got stuck in reverse. You can see I can move my handle and it's not doing anything as far as a response. I basically had to drive it back home in reverse to get it back in the driveway. So when I got it back home, parked it, cut off, and then I looked underneath the vehicle. I went to the transmission. And I can see that part has come loose. So, since your vehicle might be out of gear, you can move this piece right here to put it back in park. But I do want to make sure that you got your vehicle, at least got your emergency brakes on, or someone holding the brake inside before you get underneath your vehicle and try to do this. Right now my emergency brakes are on. So now that I have them on, I can move it into the park position. That way my vehicle is not going to move. So I'm going to have to get a part to hook into here to connect to there. I've seen a lot of people try to change this whole piece out. That's just too much work. But I know they make a part that I can slip inside there to connect back to this. And I'm going to show you what that is. So this is the part I said you can get. It's called a, try to get the zoom right, shift linkage bushing kit. What's important is that number right there, 14092. If you go looking for that part, you get these pieces. Basically, that part that you seen that I showed earlier, with the hole in the middle, you gotta get this to go inside. I tested it earlier to see if it would actually fit, and it does. I'm gonna say it might not be easy to get it in there. I don't know, you might have to make the hole bigger, but I'm gonna see if I can make it fit with the hole that it is right now. If I can't, then I might have to make it just a little bit bigger just to get it past. But once you get this on, you'll be able to snap it back in. So I got the new piece on. As you can see right there. I didn't realize the old piece was still in there. So make sure you take the old piece out so you have enough space to get the new piece in there. So now that I got the new piece in, I should just be able to snap that in place. In there. It's already hooked back together. I didn't have to take all this piece out. Just need to get that one little part and slip that back in there. But I can see that this part is very close to my exhaust here. So I'm guessing that Cadillac converter could be putting out too much heat and melting that plastic. So I might in the future change this out to be a bolt attachment instead. So I'm pretty sure eventually it's going to happen again. Though it's never happened on this vehicle before. It'll probably be a while before it happens again. But yeah, that should have been a bolt attachment there. I don't know why they did a plastic piece. I guess they had their reasons. But for the moment, it's back like it was. So hopefully this was helpful. And thanks for watching.